The lemon is a very versatile fruit and can be used in several dishes, desserts, or juices. But its health benefits are what make it special. They can be obtained through its juice or peel, which is rich in essential oils. Lemons can help you boost your immune system, helping you avoid colds and the flu. Furthermore, lemons have several other benefits, such as it detoxifies your body, helps you lose weight, and improves your skin. It protects your organs from degenerative diseases and infections such as candidiasis, since it lessens your blood's acidity. It accelerates the healing process. It lessens swelling and blood pressure. It relieves pain from gout and rheumatism. It prevents premature aging. It treats anemia. It's fantastic, isn't it? In order to benefit from all of these properties, it's important that you choose good quality lemons. In order to ensure that they're good, you can plant your own lemon tree. Planting a lemon tree is super easy. You can even do it in an apartment. You'll need organic lemon seeds, a large, deep pot, soil, a clear trash bag, a squirt bottle with water. Here's how. Put a small amount of soil in the pot. Fill about 1/4 of it and add water until it's nice and wet. Then fill the pot almost to the top with soil. Choose the seeds you're going to use. Remember to keep them wet until it's time to plant them. Plant the seeds 1/2 inch under the soil, the top of the last layer you added, and squirt some water over them with the bottle. Cover the pot with the trash bag and poke a few holes in it. Put the pot somewhere warm with lots of direct sunlight. The soil can't become dry, so spray water whenever you think it may be drying out. But don't overdo it. If everything works out, you'll have a lemon sprout in 2 to 3 weeks. Once this happens, take off the plastic bag and leave the plant in direct sunlight. Don't ever forget to water it, and make sure it has plenty of sunlight and fertilizer. This process requires patience, but the end result will be worth it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.